What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our April 2020 FPVCRATE box, and if you noticed, they sent me 2 boxes. I'm not sure if it was a mistake, or if they wanted to just for me to give one of these away, so they didn't answer any questions I asked, so I'm giving one away. That's pretty much what I'm going to do. So whatever we get in this month's box, you're going to be getting, and just leave a comment down below, and then on May 7th, 2020, I will be picking a winner for the FPVCRATE box for April. So just leave a comment down below and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing of the April 2020 FPVCRATE box. Okay, so looks like we get 10% off at the FPVCRATE store. So if you wanted to use that code, I guess you can. I'm not sure if they're letting me share that or not. And then we also got, looks like 8% off on a Zoe HD brand from Get FPV. Then we got some stickers. These are kind of cool stickers. I like them. I definitely do like these stickers. These stickers are cool. And then we have that. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. And let's start off right off the bat, because we see them right away. 4 2207 1900 kV booster motors. Awesome. So I got some 6S motors here to put on one of my rigs. Cool. And we'll take them out of the, let's go ahead and take one out of the box and see how it looks. I'm assuming they're going to be silver since the packaging's silver. I'm assuming. But yeah. So they're white with like silver on the side. Cool. Comes with some screws, all the standard stuff. I'll be using those. And I guess one of you guys will be too. Whoever wins the subscription box. And then we got 3 sets of props here. So these are HQ props, and they are R55R, yeah, R35s or whatever they are. I've actually heard really good things about these props, and I've actually used, I think I've even used a few. And they're pretty good, pretty solid, they're pretty durable. Looks like we got ourselves a battery strap. And let's see, look at this shirt here. So it's like a dark blue, and it has that kind of like the sticker with the quad on it. And it says freedom of flight. And this is a medium, and so is the other box, so you'll be getting a medium shirt. So if you know somebody with a medium and you're not a medium, just give it away to somebody if you want. But I appreciate you guys watching this month's unboxing. I should have quad blocks hopefully soon whenever they ship those and I get that. I'll be doing an unboxing of that. So subscribe to more FPV related material, and leave a comment down below to get in on this giveaway for this extra box they sent me. So you'll get everything that's in this box, just so you know. And I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.